In this video, I am going to show you on how you can import an Excel file into ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the top right to access your profile, and from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now, we're going to scroll down and go to Integrations and Click Apps, and under that, go to Imports/Exports. From here, click on Import Items, and then from the Import from Local Files, we're going to select Spreadsheet. This is where we'll be able to import our Excel file. So we're going to select a location, choose a format, and then choose the delimiter for the multi-value fields. After that, continue. Then we're going to wait for a few minutes for ClickUp to load right here. Once we see this, we can either manually enter data, but our video is about importing an Excel file. So click on Upload File, select your Excel data right here, for example, open, wait for ClickUp to extract the file. And so once you see this, you now have the option to select a sheet to load the data from. Continue for us to check. Wait for a few seconds. Let's choose, for example, continue. And that's it. You now have the data from your Excel file imported here on your ClickUp account. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.